These days, more and more people are remodeling their homes, but we have some insurance tips you need to know before that first swing of the hammer. Here with me is Brian Hunter of Hunter Insurance. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Sean. Thanks for having me.
So what are some of the things we need to know before we remodel or as we remodel?
Yeah, Sean, a couple of things. If you're increasing the living area of the home, you really need to let the agent know, preferably ahead of time. So for instance, if you're refinishing your basement, finishing your attic, putting a 3-wall addition on, that increases the value of your home. You really need to let the agent know that so you're not underinsured. Secondly, if you're adding an attached structure, such as an attached garage, a deck, open and closed porch, that also will increase the value of your home too. And if you're remodeling your kitchen or bathroom and you're going from a builder's grade to a custom grade, the agent also needs to know that too, because that's going to increase the value of your home.
Now, how can we make sure that our contractors and subcontractors are fully insured for the job?
Well, the first thing I'd recommend is you go to the State of Rhode Island Contractors Registration site. And what you're going to do on that is you're going to check to make sure the contractor is registered. Every contractor does work on a residential property has to be registered. On that website, you can see if their license is active. You can see if they have insurance. And you can also see if there's been any complaints for them. It doesn't work for plumbers and electricians. They're licensed by the Department of Labor, so you want to go to the DOL website on that.
That's great. I didn't even know about that. Now, how about insurance coverage if we decide to leave the house during renovations? Does it change at all?
Yes, it does. If you are not there, you lose a very important coverage, theft coverage of the building materials. Whether you're putting a new house up or an existing house, the homeowner's policy excludes theft coverage while it's unoccupied. And we've all heard stories about vandals going into homes and stealing all the copper tubing out of the house and all the plumbing fixtures. That would not be covered. For a new house, you need a builder's risk policy. For an existing house, you need a rehab policy to get that theft coverage back.
When all is said and done, everything's renovated, should we have the entire house reevaluated by an insurance agent?
Absolutely. You should call your agent. Your agent has some sophisticated tools. It's called the replacement cost calculation. It's done on the computer, updated twice a year, zip code specific. So for example, if you're building a house in Lincoln versus a house in Block Island, the one in Block Island is going to cost more to build because of the labor availability and the increased cost of bringing the materials over.
Brian, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
If you guys need more information on insurance and maybe insurance resources, you can always visit our website. It's foxprovidence.com.